Hey guys, welcome to American Wrap Company. Check out what we got to work on this week. What's up guys, Tyler with American Wrap Company. Behind me is probably one of the most coolest projects I've gotten to work on in a long time. It's roughly 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 or 1,000 pounds of twisted steel and sex appeal. It's a 2004 Chevy 1500, or about that much of a 1500 frame rail and a firewall. This is a full Kibbetech built prerunner or luxury prerunner. Basically what we did was full Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film on the entire truck, all the painted surfaces. We did some of the down tubes and frame bars or cage bars inside the cab where passengers' feet are going to be kind of, you know, hitting the bars, getting in and out, so that way those won't get all chipped up, because the whole cage, chassis, everything's powder coated and just looks real nice. We did all the Baja Designs front LED lights. It does have Chevy Tahoe headlights, and we wrapped those with Ultimate Plus as well. And then the truck had tint from the early 2000s because it was all purple and discoloring, so we removed all the window tint and then replaced the front 2 roll down windows with 30%, and we did the back windows with 20%. We also did 55% on the front windshield, so he gets maximum heat rejection and UV protection. The truck has a really nice full leather interior. Like I said, it was a really cool project for us to work on. I've always wondered why guys will spend $300,000 to $500,000 and not wrap these types of trucks. I feel like it's a really fitting application for paint protection film. You want to go out and you want to abuse it, have fun. Why not take care of it and keep it looking nice? So we also wrapped, there's a couple little bars behind the rear tires that are powder coated. I put Xpel on those as well because the tires are going to shoot rocks right up into that area. I think that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. If you do us a huge favor, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We work our ass off to bring you badass content like this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.